It's the spider, I like to play pretend. I've got a fuzzy bum and I want to be your friend. My world is full of wonder. Wanna come and see? 'Cause I would really love it if you would play with me. Hey, you're looking good today. Walkies! Walkies. Walkies? Walkies! Walkies? Walkies! Walkies! Walkies? What's wrong with Avocado? It sounds like her whole world has collapsed. It has. She hasn't been on her walkies yet. Uh-oh. Avocado always has her walkies in the morning. What happened to my walkies? Maybe your mommy and daddy forgot. What if we try something relaxing? Breathe in nice and easy, like this. Now you try it. Okay. That's it. Why don't you play with your toys until they get back? Okay, I guess. And if you need anything, just... It's decided. We're gonna take you for your walkies. You are? How hard can it be? Great. Here's what we have to do. It all starts when I chew up the mail and I play in garbage, roll in stinky stuff, tinkle next to a post, I chase stuff, I bark at things, and then I have a big sniff. That doesn't sound like too much work at all. Oh, and treats. There has to be treats. Good dog treats. Sure. Where are they? Up there. Whoa, that's high. So, how many treats do you take? All of them. I'm that good. I think she may have made that bit up. You guys good to go? Yep. All set, bro. Okay. Ready? Aim. Fire! These are really good. It's a bit of a mess. Don't worry, we can clean it up. The mail! Treats and mail chewing done. Now let's play in some garbage. Wow, Avocado sure likes that garbage. Yep. I'm a good dog. Next thing, roll in stinky stuff. My specialty. There's something special about outside garbage. Okay, next thing on the list is... Oh, tinkle on a post. Only, I don't see a post around. What about Troy? Tinkle and Troy? Great idea. You're the best, Lucas. Hello, Troy. That was a lot of pee. Yep. Okay, what do we do next? Chasing. Only, what's she gonna chase? I got an idea. to do some barking now. Wow, that's a big one. 8 legs and I still slip? Barking at little owls isn't right, you know. It's okay, Arlo. It's all part of her walkies. I don't know if I like walkies. What's next on our list? Have a big sniff. Gotcha. Come on, Avocado. Time to go sniff something. Yay! They smell good enough to eat. I don't think you're supposed to eat flowers, Avocado, but they smell so good. Well, that's everything on the list. Yes, looks like we're all done. Thanks for my walkies today. It was our pleasure. I'm such a good dog. Well, Lucas, our work here is done. Not until we can clean this up. Next time, let's not be in charge of walkies. Deal.